a chilly day here in Kessingland. It's the 1st of December. It's cold here today in the Kessingland shop. According to the computer it's -2, but it is dry and there's not a lot of wind. Let's have a look today. So this is how December has started. Could be a summer's day if it was 23 degrees. Hello mate. So today's quite a busy day. Bell's working, as you can see. Need to contact customers about picking their bikes up. What else do we need to do? We need to process 12 wheels. I need to dismantle 3 bikes to keep on top of everything. So I'm going to crack on with that this morning. I'd like to say congratulations to the winner of our competition, our November competition, Cambridge. You've won a cycling computer, bicycle service and a discount card for 12 months, which is an awesome gift. There won't be a competition this month. We're going to restart again in January, so that's the plan. I'm just trying to think what else I need to do. We're having internet problems this morning. It doesn't seem to want to connect. I've switched it off and on again. Hopefully that'll sort it. I'm going to crack on, get some work done. Let's get that kettle on, get some warmth in the air. Okay, so I was going to dismantle this. I've been putting it off for ages because it just looks like it's a lot of work, but actually it just needs tyres and tubes. Gears work nicely, it just needs a bit of TLC. So that's what I'm going to do. That's my next job, is this lovely Raleigh Caprice. So this one is all done. This lovely Raleigh Caprice just needs a good pressure wash, which we'll do at the weekend. But that's working lovely. That's a really lovely bike. I've just sold a bike as well. Sold the Polo Cherry Lane. Let me just see. Here it is. Just sold this one as part of our sale. And we've had this one donated, which is just as lovely. Basket and everything. So I'll be building that one tomorrow, not that it looks like it needs much. But yeah, so that's my task for tomorrow. But yeah, got a few gaps. Got a few gaps in the shop at last. So we can get some more stock out. Right, I'm now going to go for lunch. And this afternoon I'm going to be chopping up some wheels, I think. Lovely pile of aluminium there. Try and do 12 a day if I can. So I'm going to end the video there because this afternoon I'm just doing more of the same. If it's your first time at the channel, we'd love it if you liked and subscribed. If you've already subscribed, thank you. We do appreciate it. Our channel is growing really, really nicely. It's amazing. If you need anything, so bicycles, we've got a sale on at the moment. Visit www.CycleRecycleuk.com and you can see all our bikes and a lot of our stock on our website. Have a wonderful evening. Don't forget we're open Saturday and Sunday. If you need to get a bicycle, or you need some parts, or you need a repair, or you need anything bicycle related, come and see us. So have a lovely evening and we'll see you tomorrow.